Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see the fix for Instagram sleep mode not working. So let's head over to Instagram for that. Once you're out there, just head over to your profile, and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And here, go to time management. Now here you will see the sleep mode. So if your sleep mode is already turned on and it's not working on your desired time, so make sure to check the first thing, that is your start time and end time. So just check if the time range you have selected is right or not. And then there are some option to choose the days in which you want your sleep mode to be applied. So make sure you have chosen the days of the week that you want your sleep mode to be applied to, and then go back. And if the sleep mode is not working, then you might try to update your Instagram from Play Store. You have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, you will see it in here, and just tap on update and it will get installed automatically in your Android. And then try to check again if your sleep mode is working. And if it's not working yet, and then you can just keep tap on Instagram and then just try to uninstall it, and then try to install it again, and then apply your sleep mode. So yeah, these are the three fixes you can try to fix your Instagram sleep mode not working. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below.